Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about subprograms in Apex. Subprogram is used to divide business logic into smaller pieces. Always subprogram used inside the class. There are two types of subprogram in Apex. First one is procedures and second one is functions. Let's see what is meant by procedures. Procedures are a part of program which contains business logic to perform certain operation. And this, this procedure does not return a result. There are two types of procedure. First one is non-parameterized procedure and second one is parameterized procedure. Let's see. This is the non-parameterized procedure. Here I am write system dot debug multiplication is. Non-parameterized procedure means it does not require any input value and it executes business logic based on a statement. These are the non-parameterized procedure. And second one is the parameterized procedure. By using parameterized procedure, we can supply the input values at runtime. See here, I'm write integer a and integer b. Multiplication is a into b. Open execute anonymous window. Here I am create one object. Name of method is multi and in that I am pass 5 and 4. Execute this. We got the multiplication is 20. Here I am pass value at runtime 5 and 4. These are the parameterized procedure. And next type is function. Function is used to divide the program into smaller parts and it can be called anywhere in your program. But function is return a value and procedure does not return a value. This is the subprograms in Apex. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.